You've been thunderstruck.
Wait. Is this safe?
Oh, yeah, seatbelts. Buckle up, buckaroo. Hey, LaSalle. It's Monday.
Oh, jeez.
No late start. We're sorry about that.
Next Monday, though. Next Monday.
But guess what? We're here with you for the announcements. All right. So the faculty-student basketball game is tonight at 6 o'clock. If 60% of our student body attends, you know what that means.
Half day school?
Something like that, I guess. And
Wow.
if you go,
That'd be
you get a free dress coupon, and it's only
Wow.
$3. So make sure to get out there.
Yeah, that sounds like a great deal right there.
Steal of a deal.
Oh, yeah. If you're interested in getting confirmed, you can do so at St. Paul's. And they just started classes Wednesday nights, 7 to 8:30 p.m., third floor at St. Paul's School. Registration forms are going to be available in the office. So, get to those. Follow these announcements. Frosh Ballet practice is going to be in Mrs. Ball's room today during lunch. And all class acts should be practicing at least twice a week from this point on. I mean, I don't even think the seniors need practice, TBH, but
We're pretty good.
I mean, we're just kind of naturals. I mean, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Choreographers, please see Mrs. Ball if you have questions or problems. And soloists need to get their music to Mrs. Ball before spring break starts. Gotta get that approved.
Juniors, your permission slips are past due. So get those into Mr. Jan, because you have the retreat this week. And there is advising schedule tomorrow.
And another reminder, no food or drinks in the classroom.
Thank you.
Cannot have that. Raffle tickets are past due, so get those in unless you want your family to get charged for that. That'd be just really uncool for your family.
And the Mexico Immersion has an Abby's Pizza Night tomorrow night at 5 o'clock. So make sure to say LaSalle when you order, so we can get the proceeds towards that.
Not only do you get a delicious meal, but you also get to help out the school.
Yeah, how about that?
It's a win-win right there, if I do say so myself.
Yep.
And dress code fact of the day, no jeans.
So these are the type of pants that work at school. Those are jeans and
Black
do not work.
Jeans, cannot wear those, okay?
Or acid wash. Go back to him. Acid wash. That does not work.
No, does not. St. Patrick's Run on Saturday. I don't have a whole lot of information on that, but that just sounds appealing to me. So, I mean, I will think about participating.
Baseball is at Kai B on Saturday.
Tennis Jamboree is going to be Thursday at 4 o'clock at Sela.
And the softball girls have a jamboree at Ike on Saturday.
So you got spring sports are starting some real competition here, so that's very, very exciting stuff to kick off the spring sports season.
Yep. All right, LaSalle. Those have been your announcements.
I think those will help drive you through today.
They will. And look at this. We're just getting to school. All right, LaSalle, we'll see you in a little bit.